yeah, we're gonna have fun today. So I'm riding with Nicole. So she's driving us, y'all. She's driving us, and we're just gonna have some fun today. My mom is out of the hospital. She is at home. Her sister's gonna be attending to anything she needs today. So today, your girl is just enjoying herself. So I'm gonna take y'all along. Alright guys, we have made it here. I'm here with Nicole, and we're gonna meet a couple. Their channel is called Rooted in Texas. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go enjoy this nursery.
Sangria lemonade? It's really good. Okay. Yes and yes. Alright, sangria please. Alright. That's the Lazy Gardener newsletter.
Lemonade for me.
But I like that it's see-through so people can see it. Because usually food containers are kind of...
Look at them being all matchy.
Oh, they're cute. Oh, they are matchy.
Oh no.
Huh?
She's like, I'm trying to pay attention. I'm really paying attention. Hello. It's like, I'm trying to look all cute and matching.
How's your mama doing?
She's doing good. She's home now, so.
Feeling sangria? I know it's sangria. I know it's sangria. You already. Look, I'm just started.
I'm cheap. I just started. And I guess they sell it.
Yeah, there's some other upcoming events coming up where they're selling other plants.
Got everything over here. We have palms.
Alright guys, I want y'all to meet this wonderful couple. They're going to tell you about their channel, and I want y'all to go over there and show them some love. So introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm BOYCE.
And I'm Nina, and we are
Talking real quiet. Okay.
I'm sorry, we'll yell some more. I'm BOYCE. This is my wife, lovely wife, Nina. Our channel is rooted in Texas.
Okay, so what is your channel about?
it's a little bit about our shenanigans.
Okay.
Yeah.
We do a little bit of everything. We do a lot of collaborations. We got a few channels that invite us to do collaborations.
Okay.
I like to do gardening, and I tug this guy along with me everywhere I go, and we do what we do.
Favorite collaborations, food.
Yeah.
As you can tell.
All right.
As you can tell.
Hit us up if you want. Boys to
Now, BOYCE does. Now you have a section on the channel that you do as well.
Yes, it's a fun facts Texas edition with me. I try to find little things here in Texas that they have that involve usually Texas. That's where we're from.
Yes.
And just little things that people don't know about.
Awesome. And they have an amazing garden. They don't show it much, but they do. They do.
I'm not an expert. I'm not.
We're not there yet.
Yeah,
Nobody's an expert. We all learn it. All right, guys. So I want y'all to go check out Rooted in Texas. Make sure that you show them that CiCi told y'all to come over and show them some love.
Oh yeah.
And so there's some plant sales coming up. If you can't find what you want here, there's some plant sales next weekend at the Montgomery County Master Gardeners. They'll have some native plants. And then October 14th, there's a pollinator festival at Mercer. So there'll be lots of native plants there and things that attract.
Oh, and that's right there in Humble.
And then today, actually, at the Rob Fleming Park, there's a Woodlands Landscaping Solution event going on. And the Native Plant Society has a big booth, and we're selling plants there too.
Nice.
I came over to do this booth too.
Oh, that is awesome.
Well, we're just showing how to add native plants into your garden. This is flame acanthus. It's a nice bush.
That's beautiful. I have this.
Yeah, that's
and I have this.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Look how pretty. Look how pretty.
And then this is from my garden. This is a little shrub called Sexmania.
Yeah.
It looks like this.
Yes.
It gets about this tall. They have some here, and I love it. It's like the front of the garden, and then I get my leggier things behind it, so it kind of hides it. And then of course the Indian blanket, which grows on the side of the road.
I see that on the side of the road.
Mine's still growing. It's growing strong.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And then this is the Salvia farinaceae, the blue salvia, Henry Dewberg.
Yeah.
I got
it.
better. Better.
And this one, the Salvia farinaceae, this one blooms in the spring, and then it gets kind of leggy, so you chop it back down.
Yes.
And then it's blooming now again, the second flush.
The Chelsea chop.
Nice. Bad on the prices. $5, $1.95 for this. What's the ashwagandha? $1.95.
Okay, so we'll
We
be doing
do
some
need a
shopping.
basket. And what is this?
Italian oregano.
Okay, I got
Is
some
that
of that.
different? I don't remember which one I
I
have.
got Italian oregano
I
at
have
home.
the Vulgare. Is that
Lemon
the
balm.
Italian?
Self-heal. What is this self-heal?
Self what?
You're welcome. Thank you too. Bye-bye. Self-heal?
Self-heal. What's that?
I don't know.
Well, hello. Do you want to sign up for our drawing? We're having a drawing for free drawing.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
Good. And what is these different teas?
We are New Horizons. We are a day hab program for adults with special needs. And this is all part of their horticulture project. So they planted, they tended, they harvested, they processed. We utilize all organic growing methods, and we have a variety of tea blends. We have lotions, we have apple cider pickles, pickled okra, we have hot and regular varieties of both. We also have the herb infused apple cider vinegars.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Everything on the table is $10 a jar. Just makes life easier that way.
Wow. Okay.
All the funds go back into our program.
We're a 501c3, so everything goes right back into working with our guys.
Awesome. Look at
There's a
those.
lot of health benefits, but my favorite has got to be
Guys, I'm going to show y'all these figs. You know, we have a nursery. We got to look at the trees, right? So this fig is the Texas Everbearing. I didn't know Texas had their own figs. Look at these. Look at that. Okay. And Satsuma. And it tells you what zone. So this is the Satsuma trees. I'm guessing these are the prices of them. Let me see. Yep, like $60 for these. What is this? The orange road red, 60. Look at these tall ones. This is the LSU gold fig. I know a lot of y'all have those, but look how tall that thing is. A Satsuma, whatever, I can't say that one, but it's $58 for this. $58 for this lime Persian. This one is $75 for the avocado Mexicola Grande. Okay. Now I'm probably gonna jack up some of these names so y'all don't get get on me. $42 for this peach, Sam Houston. 42 for this peaches. What is this? It is avocado, Joey. And this Don Juan avocado. I guess everybody got their own kind. It's $75 for that one. Okay, this is $45. This is the olive tree for $45. This is pear, Orient pear. It is $42. I'm showing y'all the fruit trees. I know that's what y'all want to see. Show me the fruit trees. $40 for this pear. Okay. I'm assuming this is lantana right here. Turmeric. Look at these turmerics, y'all. Look. This is $14 for this one. I'm sure the smaller one's probably cheaper. There's a turmeric in there. $8. Now that's something I haven't grown yet. It's some turmeric. But I need to. Let me see. This one is $8 as well. I might wind up getting some turmeric. This is pigeon purple. I'm guessing cabbage, but I don't see the price of it. Okay. I'm trying to make my little white. Nicole is still stuck over the top. I'm like, girl, come on.
That looks like the exact same thing we are called.
Okay. Dreamland pink. Look at all the beautiful flowers, y'all. Nice.
What do you think of the fountain through there?
I want to see the big fountain.
Oh yeah, we'll take.
She said it was a free. Okay, so it's either one.
No, you can take one of each. It's totally fine.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you. So guys, they have some worm castings and some leaf mold compost. Look at that. That is awesome. Now I need to get my bag. Oh, and they have a big thing of it as well. The leaf mold compost. They have chocolate daisies. And fair. Chili pequin. Yeah, they have a lot of different things here. There's some Euro. Let me see what the price of that is. Did it say the price? I don't know what the price of it is. There's some Mexican honeysuckle. We got some fall orient. These are some elephant ears here. These are not, what is that other one? But these are elephant ears. Candlestick plant. Nice. Hope y'all just taking it in. They have some Mexican oregano. Ooh, look at that. Mexican oregano. Purple trailing lantana. Look at these beautiful lantanas, y'all. Now this will come back. Even though it'll get cold, it will come back. There's some Alamo vine. I guess that would be cute on like a trellis. Look at that. Brazilian rock rose. They have some angel wing jasmine. Some beautiful roses. I bet these are knockout roses. I have some of those. And a terracotta pot. See prices on the pots. These are beautiful flower pots. Look how those beautiful. Okay, the terracottas 56, 78, 98. Ooh, 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 nope. Look at those beautiful flowers. Nice. Oh, passion flowers. That's what they call.
I have a bunch of it at my house if you want a cutting.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I have a bunch of passion flowers.
So what do you do with it? It's just a flower?
It's just a flower. You don't get fruit unless you have another one to cross-pollinate, like a different type. And I just got a different type at the Plant Expo from my friend. I bought the cotton leaf. It's a very pale pink one.
Well, I think I have the pink one, like a little bitty small one of that. I didn't know what it was.
Well, then I'm gonna get you some of mine. And your chocolate mints you gave me, it's going crazy.
Oh. I love the way they had it all displayed. They made it seem like you were in just a friend's backyard, and it was just so many things to look at. And I hope my video does justice. We enjoyed ourselves. There were many plants, trees to look at. You could hear the birds. There were butterflies everywhere, lots of pollinators. It's just an incredible place to come to. We got some rosemary. More rosemary. There's some herbs. We're getting close, y'all. I feel like we're gonna catch this lemon verbena somewhere. Italian oregano. Okay, so the 4-inch pots are 3, 6-packs are for 5. I'm in the herb section. Okay, there's Genevieve basil. I have that. What is this?
I'm telling everybody about this. It's so beautiful.
$7. This is zinnia. See herbs? Yeah, it's probably in this area. This is some catnip. Thai hibiscus. Those are cute. Giant parsley. This is cilantro. Orange mint. Ooh, orange mint. Orange mint.
Ooh, orange mint sounds.
That does. We are all in a sauna, y'all. Trust me, it's saunified out here. Oh, there's some dill. And some whatever that is. And baby blue gum. Baby blue. Oh, eucalyptus. Look at that eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus?
Baby blue gum.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Butterfly peas. Look, a million of them. Look at that. But I'm gonna get mine free from Nicole. These are salmonella. I can smell that. We got this pigeon pink cabbage. Guess what is cabbage? Oriental cabbage. No, we want something we can eat, y'all. Flowering kale cabbage. This is regular red acre cabbage. Bates collards. Look at this. And the 6-packs. The 6-packs are 5, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to get some. Look at this. 6-packs are 5, but I want to make sure that each one of these cells have plants in there when I get it. They got cauliflower, sweet peppers, cauliflower. May get some broccoli too. The Williams 29 broccoli. Hot peppers. Okay, y'all. This is something I had never seen. I've seen people fangirl over actors, sports people, but here we go. Hi.
Finding everything?
We're looking for lemon verbena.
If we had it, it would be up front.
Oh, they said it would be by the herbs.
Well, maybe back here.
Okay.
I'm the owner. I don't know what's going on.
You do too. I recognize you from the videos.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Very nice to meet you.
I'm John. So.
Hi.
You have a wonderful place.
Yes.
And I'm getting a truckload of dirt for
Yes.
Well, I appreciate that.
you. No, I've been wanting to come here for years, so it's exciting to see you, actually. I'm gonna be a
Well, we
little
have
awkward.
42 acres here, and we've got about 8-10 acres here. We can be eventually nursery garden center. We're just slowly developing it. We're all organic.
Yes, that's exactly why I'm here.
We know some of the goers aren't, but
Yeah.
once they're here,
Right.
if you look around here, you see butterflies everywhere.
Yes. And we all have gardening channels.
We all
on
have
YouTube.
gardening channels, so we're
Okay.
we're just nerding out right now. This is amazing. At
Okay,
least
well,
I
you're in
am.
good company.
It's beautiful here.
Well, just enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Another 10 minutes or so, Skip Richter's going to be talking.
Okay,
He's
from
the host of
Garden Line. Yes.
Oh,
He's
wow.
back down here where the picnic tables are.
Okay.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
It's nice meeting you. Look at this. Look, we got the video of Nicole sitting here freaking out. I'm like, I'm glad you said that because I was like, hey.
Look at Boyce holding his eggplant.
Spokesman for the eggplant. We got here what looks like a black beauty.
You can feel the firmness and texture.
Firmness and texture. That's beautiful. All I need is some kois in there. Oh, they do got some kois in there. Yay! They got kois. There's some kois in there, y'all. So they have many types of plants, and I love some aloe vera, all type of things, trees. So the area we were in is shaded, so this is more shade trees and so much. Guys, make sure that you have time to enjoy everything out here. They even had little succulents, mini cactus, miniatures of things, just a variety of stuff. One of these garlic chives, plenty of garlic chives. Okay. I'm gonna want to get in something. I just don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Let's see. We have winter something. Thank you. Appreciate it. Look at this little grass. Little blossom. Oh, this feels amazing under here. Y'all, I'm sweating. A little dust in my eyes. Like this is wonderful. The soil that they have here. So if you live in, where are we at? Conroe. In Conroe area, or close to here. Let me get the dust out of my eyes first. But this is all organic, tested soil. You can mix and match your compost, your soils to whatever you like. There is more. I'm thinking is this the call the something over here? Oh, but the trees feel so good. Look at that. The pine trees.
That's a giant pumpkin. All those leaves, that's a giant pumpkin. I wonder if there's a pumpkin there. There's a pumpkin vine.
Really?
Yep.
Well, it must be way back there.
See the flowers?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's starting to climb up this pine tree.
I'm wondering why we haven't got any of these seeds or little branches off of anything out here
I know.
while we've been here.
We need to be putting things
In our little pockets.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Propagation station.
I know. Where does this pumpkin trail end? This is Cinderella pumpkin. Gotta be. No. It just comes all the way out to somewhere beyond. They probably just store them out there. Guys, Boyd just bought our lemon verbena. So now it's named Boyd. This is my tree name, and all the babies is baby Boyds. Okay. This is Boyd's tree, and you have a lot of babies right there.
And then Boyce Junior. Boyce
Yes,
Junior,
yes,
Junior.
junior, third, fourth.
Oh.
That water and I multiply.
Oh God.
Don't feed me after midnight.
All right, guys, we're getting ready to go.
If we get arm length a selfie with all of us, I want
Yeah.
that to be my thumbnail.
Awesome.
Nice.
All right, guys, they're loading us up. Whoa. That is awesome. Whoa.
Oh, it's heavy.
Now, I'm guessing you're driving this truck all the way to your garden.
Yep, we're gonna back it up next to the potager. So we got 1 yard of soil. It is half rose mix, rose soil, and half leaf mold. Good stuff. Thank you, Mr. Guy.
Is that it?
That's it. We're good.
All right, guys. Look at that. All right. We want it all in there.